The rain is so peaceful tonight.
Look, the flowers are dancing.
They are happy, just like us.
I love this. Look at the rain. It's so much fun.
So beautiful.
Peaceful.
This year, the flood reached here.
Was it scary, Papa?
A little, but we were together.
I'm glad we're safe.
Me too. This is our home.
Peeling potatoes for dinner. The rain makes it so peaceful. Almost done now. There we go. Mixing the flowers slowly, letting it breathe. The rain makes it feel so warm. Almost ready for the rolling pin. Perfect texture now. The rain is so soothing today. The warmth of the kitchen feels like home. The perfect sip. Such peaceful memories. Rolling the puris, just like my mother taught me. Feel the rhythm of the wood. Brings back such peaceful memories.
Wow, Grandma, it's getting so flat.
Patience, beta. We roll it gently.
Your eyes sparkle, Grandma?
It's the magic of cooking.
Can I try?
The aroma is so inviting. There we go, a perfect serving. A bowl full of comfort.
the rain.
Yes, and here comes the bus.
Whoa, huge splash.
Perfect day for hot idli. So peaceful. Good girl. Is it tasty?
Yes, Amma, more please.
Of course, my little one.
I love rainy days with you.
Me too, sweet girl.